We're flying to Vegas, baby, to surprise this teacher from Bonanza High School with this limited edition Herff Jones championship ring. And these students have a plan to make this celebration extra blingy. It's takeoff time. We made it to Bonanza. A few months ago, these students hit us up and told us about how special Mr. Dean is. And we knew immediately we had to put a ring on it.
Way beyond our years from here, we're gonna think of Coach Dean, who never failed to believe in us and motivate us.
Coach Dean is overall just a great role model to everybody. He's a wonderful teacher and an even better coach. I myself am a better person after the 2 years I've known him.
You can ask any wrestler, any soccer teammate that I have, any track person, they'll be like, you can go to Coach Dean for anything, and they're like, oh, Coach Dean's the best.
So I've been at Bonanza and teaching for 5 years. So yeah, it's kind of my second career. So I was working culinary, managing restaurants on the Strip. My youngest graduated high school, and I just felt like it was, I wanted to do something different, and I wanted to make a bigger impact. When they leave Bonanza, I want them to feel like they can be productive adults. That's my most important thing.
The students have been planning a pay it forward prank for weeks.
So he thinks that he's gonna come and there's gonna be like a speaker, but in reality, he's gonna be like, why is this about me? We're gonna bring down a screen, and I made a slideshow that has a whole bunch of pictures of him from his sports and his classes.
And then we're gonna have his teams come up individually.
He motivated me to start helping people see change within themselves.
This is PJ. He graduated 2 years ago. He was the state wrestling champion under Coach Dean. He and another special former student are going undercover to present Mr. Dean with the ring.
Coach Dean, he had said that his favorite memory at Bonanza was when PJ won state. And so he doesn't even know PJ's in town. Coach Dean used to work with our special needs kids, and he was really close to Dylan and got him involved in the wrestling team and let him come to all the practices, and even in his senior year let him wrestle in a match. He's coming back, he'll be here today.
I'm already getting teary-eyed. As I get older, it's like I can't help it. All right, y'all, it's showtime. I am a speaker from time to time, but more importantly, I flew here today from Austin, Texas, because I heard that there's someone very special on your campus that's making a huge impact. They are leaving a legacy of service. And so I'm actually here today not to give you all a speech. I'm here for a celebration.
So Coach, can you come join us on stage?
Could we have the girls' soccer team come up here?
He's just a special guy. He is such a leader to me and an example to me of how I should be as an adult.
This was Dean and I's very first time coaching soccer, and I'm very grateful to have done it alongside Coach Dean, and especially with these boys to have made it so far up into the state finals.
More than half of us in this room have been coached by Coach Dean before. In the short time that I've known Coach Dean, I realized that he's not just a coach, but he's a mentor.
You know this guy? This is PJ. Give this guy a hug. You know this guy? You have left a legacy of so many things, but I think the most important thing these kids have shared with me is that you have left a legacy of service. Just like the principal said, you don't do this for the money, you do it because you truly want to make a difference, and you're absolutely doing an incredible job of that. So, we brought you something, this special ring, okay? Open that box. This is a limited edition Herff Jones championship ring.
I just want you to know that I love everybody, and I'm super thankful, and I truly feel, and this just confirms it, that I have the best job in the world.
Where should we go next? Who's a legend on your campus who should be christened with a Herff Jones championship ring? Hey y'all, did you like that video? Like,